guys, welcome to Style Trails. I hope everyone's doing great. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shrija and I create fashion, beauty and lifestyle videos. If that is something that interests you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And now coming back to today's video, there is one or the other product going viral every single day on the internet, and it just intrigues me so much ki, oh, this has so many benefits, I need to try it. But is it like all these products are really worth it? That's the question in the end. So I have a bunch of viral products with me and I'm going to test it for you guys and give you my honest review. So now without wasting any time, let's get started. The first product that I have is the L'Oreal Infallible Tinted Serum. The first thing that hooked me onto this product was the fact that it gives you a sheer coverage and it gives you that my skin but better vibe, and that is something I always look forward to. I am not a foundation girly. I just felt like the shades are a bit limited considering your skin's undertone, but I went for a 3 to 4 light medium and oh my god, it fits me so beautifully. Like it was just meant for my skin tone. That is it. It is not too dark, it is not too light, it is the perfect match and I'm here for it. It has a buildable coverage, it is extremely lightweight on the skin, and it just doesn't feel like I have a full face of makeup on even right now, and it's been like 4 to 5 hours that I've been shooting. So I totally get why this product is viral and it's definitely worth your money. Next up, I have the Derma Co Vitamin C Microneedle Serum Shot. Now this is supposed to go 10x into your skin and give you that extra benefit of the serum altogether, and it is going to feel like needles on your face. So I was very scared to be using it because I'm in general scared of needles, and I took a pea-sized amount and I forgot to patch test first. I should have done that. I just took a bit and applied it on the right side of my cheek. My entire right cheek was on fire. That is supposed to be there, I agree, since it is a microneedle shot, but after that, I don't know if microneedling does that, but I got like this entire cheek of mine right now, even it feels a little bumpy, and I have like 2 very tiny pimples as well. This, even though it is like the purest form and it is microneedle and everything, I don't think it is meant for my skin. So now since I have purchased it, I'm going to start using it on my elbows and on my knees because it is just supposed to even out hyperpigmentation and all of it. So कर लो, knees and elbows ही कर लो अगर, if not my face. I'm definitely not putting it on my face ever again. This next product is definitely not like a new launch as such, but I have seen this and I've heard my friends rave about it as well, and that is the Foxtail Hydrating Cleanser. Now this removes your makeup and cleanses your skin at the same time. Matlab, you don't really need to carry 2 products like a cleansing oil or a micellar water along with your face wash. This product does it all, and it is going to get rid of your mascara, your entire full face of makeup very nicely. If you don't like that oily feeling with the oil cleansers, you can definitely go for this. This is like a 2-in-1 product and it works very nicely. Like I know for a fact this one product is definitely going in my travel bag because why carry 2 products when this does it all? After that, I have the Hyphen Ice Dunk Face Mask. Now this went really viral during summers, and if you are someone who likes to dunk their face in ice every morning or use an ice roller, this is something that is going to make you happy. Like just the thought of it getting into a face mask is really nice. But now when you apply it, it is not going to give you the exact same cooling as an ice roller does. That cooling sensation altogether is very different, and even after you wash off the face mask, your skin is going to feel very cooling and very soothing at first, but I don't really see the depuffing factor into it. Like I applied it the first thing in the morning because that is the time that my face looks very puffy. I didn't really see like a lot of difference. So as just like a trial mask or something to cool off during summers, this is a great face mask. But if you are looking for functionality, I wouldn't say it actually gives you that depuffed effect. अगर गर्मियों में cool off करने के लिए चाहिए, then you can definitely invest into this. But if you are looking for a proper alternative for ice rollers, then this won't be the best. After that, I have the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Lipstick in the shade 635. This is Worth It Medium, also known as the Alia shade. If you guys know me, you guys know I'm a huge sucker for nude lipsticks, and if I find the perfect one, I'm definitely going to treasure it. And this, my friends, is one of those because the overall feel of this lipstick. It's very lightweight, it gives you a full coverage, it is matte, and it looks really, really nice. It has that warmth to it, so I know for a fact that it is going to suit a lot of skin tones as well. And this, I see mom and I fighting over this lipstick, like she's going to just dhapofy this and take it, because ye shade hum dono ko bhi acha lagega. This is the shade that I'm wearing right now as well, and I see myself using it on a regular basis, so I get the hype around this. It is definitely worth the money. Next up, I have the AM/PM perfume. Now this is Spritz by Tipsy Beauty. I picked up the fragrance Vanilla Whispers because I just felt like vanilla is the most safest perfume you can pick up, and I personally love vanilla fragrances, so definitely that. But you get like these two perfume bottles. This is the AM side and this is the PM side. The AM one is super fresh, sweet, and the PM one has deeper tones. It has amber and more of like deep vanilla vibes. Now I personally like the individual scents, but mixing these two together gives you that beautiful unique fragrance. I have received such compliments after wearing this. One of my friends just told me you smell like Barbie. So if you just love that vibe, that feminine, girly, sweet vibe, this just blindly go for this. And this one is so long lasting. It is going to last you minimum 12 hours. I'm saying minimum 12 hours. Even after like I've gone out, I've come back home, and कपड़ा अगर मेरा धोने के लिए भी चला गया हो ना, it still smells like this perfume. So it is definitely long lasting and so worth the money. And lastly, this might be a stupid purchase on me altogether. So first up is the Moxie Styling Serum Gel, and then the second one is a leave-in conditioner. Now I have seen so many curly hair videos. Even like if you have wavy hair, you're supposed to style it in a way that it looks really nice, and I genuinely wanted to reduce my heat styling. So the difference that I noticed is if I use my regular serum and air dry my hair is going to get that beachy waves, and that is exactly what I was looking for. Just like very healthier, non-frizzy version by using these two products. But every time that I have used these two products, I just feel like my hair gets so moisturized कि मेरे बाल कर्ली लगते ही नहीं हैं. Then it goes into that weird stage where, you know, after you brush your curly hair or after you brush your wavy hair, how it becomes like poofed up and very weird. That is what I get after using it. And trust me, I have asked all of my curly hair girlies कि कैसे use करते हैं, क्या करना है, कैसे, what not. My sister has curly hair and this product worked really great on her. For me, it definitely didn't, because I just feel like it weighs down my hair. It goes like the volume goes, the overall curls and everything just don't look that good altogether. Hello from a different outfit. I completely forgot to film the end of the video, but that was it for today's video, and these were all the products which were viral and which were on my list to buy. In case you want me to try something, let me know in the comment section below. All the product links will be in the description and in the pinned comment section like always, and I will see you guys in my next video super soon.